Hi my beauties, Yelena here from Aneley Cosmetics, and today I'm going to be doing part 3 of surviving the Jewish holidays. I am so excited about this series. I've never done series before, but it looks like people are loving it. And yeah, today I'm going to be doing this. I promised you 3 colors on the eyes, and yes, I used 3 colors. Now this one is the green because I'm wearing green. I thought I will match. I'm even wearing a little headband that I haven't worn in years. Yes, I got this headband in many different colors when I was like, I don't know, 25 or something, which was, you know, a year ago. But I'm using the green, I'm using the yellow golden color, and I'm using the black, and they are not overlapping each other. So you can match and mix and do what you need to do to look absolutely stunning for the holidays without compromising anything in beauty. Just make sure that you protect your face, that you scrub it, because remember, powders can be a little bit drying, especially on your lip area if you do not take care of it. And this isn't what you want to do. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you never miss a video. And if you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. Okay, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do, just like I do all the time with Shabbat makeup, is to do my eyes. Okay, so today I'm going to be doing 3 colors, and I'm going to show you how not to overlap it. You grab your 4-in-1 brush, and now we're going to be using these 2 sides and this little guy right here. This one is going to be for the liner down here, and these 2 are going to be for the colors here. First thing we're going to do is apply mascara before Shabbat or before the holiday, okay? So I'd like to start with the top so that if anything falls, I'll be able to remove it, okay? Let's grab this green and the more fluffier side, because we're gonna go right into the crease. So notice how I do it. I'm completely leaving this part here empty, okay? So I'm drawing from about here, middle, all the way out where the brow ends, right? And then up here, kind of like a hook. So like that, okay? Now you can put as much or as little as you want. I like it to be really visible, so I'm putting more. Also make sure that you go into your lash line. Very important, otherwise it's gonna look like you didn't finish. Okay, now I'm going to take the second side, I'm gonna dip it into the gold. And I'm just going to go right into the corner of the eye. Who said holidays have to be boring? There we go. Now, here I'm only going about 3/4 of the way. Okay, I'm stopping there because over here I'm going to place another color. And as you can see, I've kind of fanned out the yellow and the green, so you can't really see that there's nothing in between them. They just kind of blended in. But if you come really, really close, you will be able to see. But there is a little space between them so they don't overlap. And last but not least is the black. This is a very tiny brush. Okay, and just tap like little itty bitty dashes. Again, I'm not overlapping, not here, not here. Do you see that? That's 3 colors. So I'm going to do the exact same thing here. As we're done, you're going to clean off any excess that you have left under the eyes if anything fell. And the next thing you're going to grab is this side of the 4-in-1 brush, which is the blush side, and you're going to dip it into the blush. Get rid of the excess. Okay, so now that you're done with the blush, you're gonna go for the foundation. Now, you know the drill. You put some in here, right? I already placed some. You take the foundation side of the 4-in-1 brush. Just tap it off, tap off the excess. Okay, and now start putting it only in the parts where there is nothing that's gonna be overlapping. So I'm going to be covering the areas where I feel like I need it. Now, again, since you applied it here, don't go too high. I'm literally just going underneath here, as you can see where my placement of the brush is. And a little bit on the forehead. This is enough for me personally. Just make sure that you don't over apply. And of course, last but not least is your lip. Now you can apply it with your finger or you can apply it with a brush. It's up to you. Today I'm going to show you how to do it with a finger, since I already showed you how to do it with a brush. And that's it. That was very, very simple. It took me like 5 minutes, really, without talking and explaining. It usually does take me about 5 minutes. It's not difficult to do. The routine is really self-explanatory. You just have to go out there and try it yourself. I promise you're going to love it. If you love this look, if you'd like to see more looks, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification sign so that you never miss another video. I hope you really enjoyed it. I'm wishing you amazing holidays ahead. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video.